Hey there, welcome back to Roby's D's Garage. I know it's been a long time, but just want to do a quick review on a subject here, which is Evaporust. I acquired these heads a couple weeks ago. They're a small block 340 for a 340. Well, they're just J heads, or O heads if you look right there, which are they're just a 915 head. Got them. They were really crusty, rusted out. Imagine having them sit in a garage in Canada for 10 years, not really being wrapped or anything, and collecting a lot of rust on them. So, anyways, I acquired these heads, and I was trying to find a way to get rid of the rust. I took them up to a machine shop, and they wanted too much money, like $150 just to power wash it, which wasn't really going to get the rust out of them. The rust was deep inside the runners, not only on the exhaust, but the intake runners were really bad. They weren't flaky, but it was just a very high buildup of rust. So I ended up looking into the Evaporust, and I thought, well, it's worth a shot. It's about $30 a gallon. I figured it was worth a shot to try to see if I could dip these and see if it took the rust away. And what I did was I ended up building a tank out of wood, because of course you can't find any kind of container that would fit a head perfectly and use your heads. I have another head in here soaking right now. It's just barely above the surface of the liquid, but it's doing good. But this stuff worked like a charm. I can't believe how well it got rid of the rust. Now, the head looks kind of funky right now because once I dipped them and I let them set for 24 hours, flipped it over once just to get the top side after about 12 hours, I pulled it out and I took it up to the car wash, the local car wash, and sprayed them all down, sprayed them all off. Well, this stuff, like, flash rusts quickly. By the time I got home, it was already rusting. So what I did was I got some PB Blaster Surface Shield. You spray it on, it's kind of like a viscous WD-40. It's bubbly and gooey looking. So sprayed it on. It's snotty, I guess you could say. So I'm gonna wrap this head in this plastic bag and leave it in the basement. Right now I'm in Michigan and it's cold. It's in the 20s right now, so I'm not going to leave them out in the garage and let them get crappy again. I'm going to leave them right down here in the basement. Once I get that one there done soaking, I'm going to do the same thing. I'll take it up to the car wash, clean all the Evaporust off, and then bring it in here, wrap it in plastic, and let it set till the weather warms up a little bit. And these are going on to 340. They're replacing my 587 heads because these guys have the big valves, and I want to, sorry, I'm putting my glove on. I want to put them in, get a little more flow. Yeah, but it cleaned up. Everything cleaned up real nice. As you can see, I got the big valves. I got everything just covered in this goo. So I'm gonna flip this back over and wrap it up. And I got a lot more content that I gotta get posted. I did a lot of stuff to the car this summer, to the Duster, that I haven't posted yet. So hopefully over winter break, I have Christmas off, I might start getting some of that stuff finally uploaded to YouTube, and to show you guys the mistakes I made when I painted the car and all that good stuff. So, okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.